In this video, we are heading over to Jono to learn a waltz jump on the floor.
Hi guys, welcome to our off-ice jump series. In this video, we're going to be starting off with the waltz jump, or as it's known in my homeland in the UK, the 3 jump. So this is probably one of the most simple jumps to do off ice because you can keep it very similar to how you perform it on ice. The only problem is you're not going to have any speed going in or any speed coming out. It's going to be very sort of static on the floor, but everything else we keep it quite nice and similar. So you're going to imagine that you're setting up on your backwards right outside edge there with your arms up, balanced, looking in the direction that you're going. Your arms are going to come together, grabbing what I like to call your loaf of bread here. As you step forward onto your left foot, the arms slice back nice and close to the body. And then as you step forward on that left foot, the right leg kicks back along with the arms, and look, they both go together. So the right leg and the arms go through, launching you up in the air, and you're gonna do a half a rotation. So the waltz jump is gonna look like this. And land. So you're gonna use those arms and legs together on it. They copy each other. So when you're standing on your back edge right here, preparation, step forward on that left foot, nice bent knee on that left foot. That's gonna generate you all of your height. Right leg goes back, arms go back. As you launch up into the air, you want to think about, imagine if you're creating a circle on the ice. So when you're on your backward outside edge, you're gonna be kind of doing this. And if you stay on that backward outside edge for long enough, you'll complete a full circle. So when I say, when you step outside the circle, you want to step away from the circle that you've created with your back edge. So on that backward outside edge, arms come together, step forward, lift up into the air. Nice strong landing position there. Again, when you've got some speed coming out of it, you might have to hop a couple of times, but you really want to focus on a couple of things on those landings. So when you've landed, you want to be slightly turned into the right side. That's going to stop you from continuing the rotation. So check out to the right side. You want to twist those shoulders in slightly. This back leg wants to be nice and strong and solid. That's going to keep you balanced when you're in that backward landing position, and a nice soft landing knee so you can stay nice and balanced there. And that's it for the waltz jump.
Huge thank you to Jono for that tutorial on the waltz jump on the floor. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think. And if you like the content we put out here, check out our Patreon page. We've got exclusive videos and extra help for everyone to take their skating to the next level.